Man, sitting here on a beautiful Tuesday afternoon sure hits the spot. Am I right, 13?
Yeah, it sure does hit the spot. I'm gonna be drinking some, water here. Juice. Here, let me drink it. Here, let me drink it.
No way. No way.
Here, let me drink it.
Ooh, that was That's not B. Oh, that's relaxing. I love that drink, right? Yeah, 13, I think it's beautiful. What the heck was that? Oh no, 13's got the hiccups. Uh-oh. 13 has got the hiccups. Uh-oh. 13's got the hiccups. 13, are you okay? Because you don't look too good. Ow! 13, are you okay? Don't worry, I'm coming. Oh, okay. 13, are you okay?
I don't feel so good.
That was the largest hiccup he's ever done. Oh, gosh. Ooh, lucky me. Well, he's gone. Man, we really need. Okay, could you stop? I'm trying to say something here.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Carry on.
Alright, what I'm trying to say is, we need. Oh, for the love of God. Oh, for the love of God. Can you please shut up for a moment? I'm trying to, like, tell you that you need to we need to find someone to get rid of your hiccups right now.
Yeah, that would be a good idea.
I'll go get 7. Be right back. Several seconds later. I know that wasn't a proper time card. Sorry. Lucky number 7. Lucky number 7. So, what seems to be the problem, 13? Well, what seems to be the problem, 13? What seems to be the problem, 13? Well, apparently he has the hiccups and he won't stop.
Oh, I need help.
Oh, yeah, that's pretty serious. Here, let me try doing something. Here, let me try doing something to get rid of those hiccups. Here, let me try doing something to get rid of those hiccups. Here, come over here.
I'm coming.
So in order to get rid of those hiccups, I'm not so sure what the actual cure for it is, but I think, for starters, we could just scare the heck out of you. Now, don't look.
Okay, don't look.
Ooh, what do you think we should do, 14? We should scare him. Ooh, I got a good idea. Ooh, I got a good idea. Here, I'll draw a mask. And the mask keeps falling off. Here, I'll draw a mask. And when you say we're going to scare him, we're going to scare him. What do you mean, scare? Have you been listening? I said that we're going to scare the heck out of him using a mask. Oh, a mask. Okay. Alright, ready? This is gonna work. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, you can open your eyes. Okay, you can open your eyes. Man.
Okay, you can open your eyes now.
Huh? We're gonna. Ah!
Okay, you can open your eyes. Ah! Did that work?
Oh. Did that work? I think we actually managed to get rid of the. Oh my god. Okay, let's try something else. Try standing. Try standing upside down. Not like that. Try standing upside down.
Okay, this better work. Okay, this better work.
And try holding a piece of cotton in your mouth. Cotton? No, I ain't holding that junk in my mouth. Yeah, I can't seem to stand backwards. Okay, I'll just sit like this. No, I am standing backwards. Alright, so try sitting that way. And try closing your mouth.
Okay.
Try holding your breath. Okay. That didn't work. Yeah, we're gonna try something else. How about if we do the scariest thing of all? Something that'll sure terrify the heck out of y'all. Heck out of you. Something so scared, even the first person who ever had hiccups never would do over. Daytime television. No, wait, no. Educational television. Oh, no, not educational television. Well, it's the only practical way to get those hiccups out of you. So,
It's sure scary. What's going on over there? I thought you said we were going to watch daytime television.
well, we are. We are. Alright, sit down and watch.
Okay. Well, this better be good.
This is gonna work.
Okay. Huh? The ghost? What? There's no... It doesn't look like there's any ghosts in this video. Huh. There's no ghosts in this video. It's just a car driving down the... Why would you do that to me? You just tried to scare me earlier, but it didn't work. I don't think it worked.
Wait. Did that work? Did we actually cure him? I think we did. Congratulations, 13. You're all cured.
Oh, thank you so much. Now I can go back to the table, which apparently got flipped over. There we go. Alright. Now I can go back to sitting down. Alright, now I can go back to sitting down.
Thanks for your help, 7. Anytime.
Here, I need that cup.
Wait, what are you doing? Oh, nothing. Just getting a cup of drink because I am thirsty. Here, give me some of that. Let me have some of that orange juice. I'm hungry. No, I'm thirsty. How amazing.
Huh?
Oh no, now I got the hiccups.